Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add the IDM extension in Google Chrome to download files easily. It's very easy to integrate IDM extensions in Google Chrome using the Google Chrome add-ons section. First, you need to download and install IDM from its official website. Here I installed a 30-day trial version for demonstration purpose. If you want to use it for more than 30 days, then buy a copy from the official website itself. Install IDM and launch it. Also need to install the IDM integration module to work with add-ons in Firefox and Chrome. Click OK to enable it. After installing, open Google Chrome and click on the three-dot icon on the top right corner and choose Extensions. Then open Manage Extensions. Here you can see the IDM integration module. Click on the toggle switch in the bottom right corner to enable it. Now the IDM extension for Chrome has been installed. Close the page and restart the Chrome browser. Now just try to download a file from Microsoft. Here you can see IDM automatically detects the download file and start downloading. That means the IDM integration with the Chrome browser is successful. Now you can use it on any website. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.